Alright, my people. Me day up on a Monday morning, seeing? And me I go through my Facebook page, I don't know. Bless up the people them and tell them good morning on Facebook. Seeing? And me I go through Facebook and me see the name come up. You know, more time you go through Facebook, you see some name come up as some people where you know her, you understand? So me see this name come up as Alicia Green. Yeah, that I'm a baby mother. Yeah, one daughter me get. Seeing? One and only daughter. So I see name come up, Alicia Green. So I click on the page now and I go through the page now and I see a disturbing picture upon it with a man a throw liquor in a my daughter wine glass. I don't know if I non-alcoholic, but I must non-alcoholic. But the picture I go show on to the man a throw liquor in a my daughter wine glass and him have a wine glass to him something. But when me assess it, when me I try get to the picture edit father and daughter. Someone asks my baby mother now because she dey on internet too, you know, cause you don't know, me turn her in an artist. Every song we see she a sing right now, you understand, and me write the whole of them. You understand? From me and her left, all know she no write a song. So she in the media, so I want this reach out to her, to my baby mother, I want this reach, you know, tag her in it and make she know that she want me hurt, but me can't hurt. Alright, my people, watch her. This is a check from J-Cap. I can't change it all now. Me have to go. You know me have to go do? See there? I want to see the figures on it. $600. 600 Jamaican. So me a recording artist and get $600 Jamaican for compensation for my song them I play on radio. How me I go feel about that? Me can't feel good about that. But still, our artists I get. Me not work. You understand? But look at me people. Look on this. You see them here? See all of them something here? Them here a receipt. See it? Them here a receipt them here. When me send money go give me data. See? Me not have to show on, me never have to show on them still. But me a show on the same way. Because I want to get the point of me I get to. What does it take for a man to be a real father when him and him woman left and the woman a deal with her thing far? We are St. Elizabeth and me there at Portmore, and still when you go to St. Elizabeth, you go to one place, you have to go way up in a one place. Seeing? And the like says she live a roadside and me can drive and say, you know, me left something right as if I really left one bag or something. She live way up in a one place where me not go. Because at the end of the day, me and her are not talking, so me no want it developing enough feud and, you know me I say, domestic violence and bravery and this and that. So me just love it there. So when me see my daughter, me see my daughter. Alright. All the time I talk to my daughter is like when my daughter really wants something. Like the last time in a summer, she called me and say, Daddy, I want to go must say Mystic Mountain or something like that. Me need $5,000. The next 2 days, me send the money. When me a call back my baby mother to talk to my daughter, me not get no talking from my daughter. My baby mother don't answer and she texts me and I say this and that and Riri not there here and Riri and bag of something. Me can't talk to my daughter. Me not get no access to my daughter even when me a send money. Alright, watch out my people. Me a man. What saying? Me know to see some picture on my Facebook page. Yeah, like say me go shopping because me not nobody a give me nothing, you know. You see me? So me go shop more there and me still put money in here so. Before me even go dance, me put the money in here so, in a my billfold for my daughter. You understand? See it here? This is for my daughter. And I go send it right here now. Victoria Mutual Building Society. I want to hear what I say, you know, my people. I want to look in at what I say, you know. This picture now, when me go see, my baby mother put up and say, daughter and father. That is totally wrong to me. Where you think about that, my people? I want to tag her, you know. She named Alicia Green, Leciagreen. I want to tag her with the video here and make sure you know say what she a do is totally wrong. Because I always look out for my daughter. Remember, if my daughter they live in a Portmore or one of them places there, you know, say every minute me there around there, every minute me go call her and me and her all her vibes and really, but she there far. So that's one of the things that make me not see my daughter. You see me I say? But the mother of the daughter and a she if you make me see it. Alright, them a tell me something if you go take out a thing with name access. A tax office. Seeing? Me if you go take out a thing with name access. for me have access to my data. Me no want to live in a law. You understand? Me no want to go in and laugh just to see my data. People must have the moral to know say, yo, here what? I'm our father, you know, the pitney father that, you know. So if I even want one time for the month, yo, go and look for your daddy. If I even want 1 hour, me I wait. Go and look for your daddy. Because at the end of the day, the youth have a meditation too, and the youth a think too, and the youth will eat you too. You hear that, baby Lee? The youth will eat you in the future, you know, because the youth real father, you take away all of the love, all of them fatherly love there, you take away from the youth. You understand? And I talk about say, daughter and father, whoa! I want to you. I mean, I send on money and them something they go give me data. I make sure know my limit. Everything me do for my data, this a $5,000 my people. And I want more receipt that pan that again. I send money week before last. You understand? So no know me I say, no know me I feel. But here one now. She want me to get upset. But me not get upset. Me just know say I saw people stay. But me just put this to you because I guess what now. She claimed to say she an artist. You understand? Which me no say I me Billar. You understand? All of them song they cry for the mothers. All of them song they are me write it. You understand? Yeah. So at the end of the day, I me send her a road in the media. So me can put this out in the media. And the next thing again, my people. Remember say she collect all of the royalty for my song. Them. Stop the violence and them big song they want me do. Now my baby mother collect royalty. If you go for jams now, them a say them don't know me. Them know she. And she collect the royalty. You know what she used to do? She used to stamp up paper and come and tell me say, yo, this we get off Egyptian song, this we get off our song. Every year we used to get money. Me now get no money now. Where them money there? And me now frowns. Me I say me have my data. You get to me I say people, everything with me I say are the truth and the fact. You understand? I'm afraid of this woman here. This woman here forge all my signature. And me find out. So this is not about sex or who you're there with now or bravery or whatever. This is about reality. Daughter and father. Mother and daughter and father. You understand? At least you have a daughter. At least make the daughter talk to the father if I even want one time for the week. Daddy, you know say way. But you just try to keep everything from me and yet still you want the law to make sure say me send money every week. That is extortion. That is extortion. You get me I say? And me there, nothing now go on, me I suffer and me I try do it. You understand? Me I try do it because me not have nothing. I'll know me not have nothing. I'll know me not have nothing, me still a suffer. You understand? Me still a suffer, me not have a work, me not have a 9 to 5. And for your father, I try look out for him daughter, and then you are going to say father and daughter. That's a total disrespect. But anyway, God not sleep, here. Just remember that. God not sleeping. I love my daughter, Riri, I love you. Talisa, Rihanna Reed, I love you. You understand? But, yo, baby Lee, no way I do. You hear that? Because more time when you see all some woman, I not say the part there. Thing alright. Love my daughter, yeah? Yeah, man. Have a good day. But one thing me I tell you, stop do them something there. I need to see my daughter. I no need to go take out no access on them something there to see my daughter. You know me live, me no move. I know from she move out from which part me and her used to live. Me live the same way, not change. I mean I make no bag of money, me have a 9 to 5. I still music. Me I do a try hustle and make little jingles, little dub plate, little 45. You understand? Little make little mix CD more time and them something there. And try to play some music to one them thing there. You understand? So the video you good along, you know. But I hope you get my message what I say. So mothers, trust me. They make we as the father them think away. So what me think said, so what me just think in my mind say, yo, anything or anything, yeah, man, I go stop sending money go give me daughter because you know my baby mother violate and say, yo, you understand? But me not do that. I love my daughter. That me I say. So people tell me if I disrespect or what? If it's a disrespect, eh? Let me know.